Tadam! So sa lahat ng grade 9, kung gusto nyong matuto sa maths, lalong-lalo na sa lesson natin, nandito si Sir 8 para kayo handugan na. This is the question. Karen and Kate can finish cleaning the house in 5 hours. If it takes Karen working alone in 3 hours longer than it takes Kate working alone, how many hours will each girl finish the work? Write your answer into 2 decimal places. In answering this question, we are going to determine the time to finish the job and the rate in doing the job. So let us write it here. Okay, then here we have Karen and Kate. Then for Kate, we have X. We will assign X here. So we will assign X because it is said in the question, Karen working alone in 3 hours longer than it takes Kate working alone. So for Karen, we have now X plus 3. Then Karen and Kate working together, so it'll be 5 hours. So 5 hours. So if they are going to work together, so that is 5 hours. And then rate in doing the job, we have 1 over X plus 3. And then for K, we have 1 over X. Then working together, so rate in doing the job will be 1 over 5. So let us show the solution. So we have 1 over X plus 1 over X plus 3 is equals to 1 over 5. Now, to find the value of X, so remove the denominator, we are going to get the LCD. So we will multiply both sides by X plus 3, then 5. Same also here, we have X times X plus 3, then 5. So that will be the LCD. So if we will multiply this to 1 over X, so the result will be X plus 3 times 5 plus, if we will multiply this to 1 over X plus 3, so the result will be X times 5, because we will cancel X plus 3 and X plus 3, then equals, if we will multiply this LCD to 1 over 5, so the result will be X times X plus 3. Alright? And then after that, we simplify. Multiply 5 times X, the answer is 5X. 5 times 3 equals 15. Then plus X times 5 equals 5X. And then equals X squared plus 3X. So we will combine similar terms here. We have X squared plus 3X, so we will equate to 0. Then 5X plus 5X is equals to 10X, so minus 10X. And then minus 15. So rearranging the equation, so we have now X squared plus 3X. 3X minus 10X is equals to minus 7X. So the answer here will be minus 7X. Then minus 15 is equals to 0. Alright, so since our lesson is about the quadratic formula, so we are going to identify the values of A equals 1, B equals negative 7, then c equals negative 15. So this time we will use the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b, so negative times negative 7, positive negative square root of b squared, so negative 7 squared, alright? Then minus 4ac, negative 15. And then all over 2 times 8, so 2 times 1. So we have now x equals, so positive 7, positive negative square root of 49 minus, okay, so we have 4 times 1 times 15. So let's use the scientific calculator. So we have now positive 60, okay, so plus 60 all over 2. So finding the answer of this, so x sub 1 is equals to, then x sub 2 is equals to, so let us use the calculator now, okay? So we have 7, then plus square root of 49 plus 60, then all over 2. So we have now 7 plus square root of 109 all over 2. So in decimals we have 8.7. Then another one we have using the negative sign. So the answer now will be negative 1.72. Alright. So here we are going to use only the positive answer, 8.72. So going back to the question, round your answer to the 2 decimal places. So how many hours will each girl finish the work? So therefore, for Kate will be 8.72. Alright. Then for Karen will be 8.72 plus 3 will be 11.72. So the unit is, we have hours. Okay, so hours. So this is now the conclusion. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Thank you and have a wonderful day to everyone. Bye-bye.